Okay, so in this video, we're going to be calculating theoretical probabilities. So let's get to it. Example 1 says you have a bag full of 12 marbles. There are 5 blue marbles, 4 orange marbles, and 3 green marbles. Find the probability that you select an orange marble from the bag. So our formula for theoretical probabilities is the number of favorable outcomes over the total outcomes. So when we're looking at favorable is what the question is asking that you would select. So orange marbles is going to be our favorable outcome. And when we're looking back at the problem, there are 4 orange marbles. So that's the number that's going to go on top of the fraction. 4 is going to go right here. Over. Now we need to find the total marbles in the bag. So how we can do that is you can either add all of them together, or if you read the first sentence of the problem, it says you have a bag full of 12 marbles, right? So we can put 12 right here on the bottom. And there's a 4 out of 12 chance that you're going to pick an orange marble. Now you always want to make sure that you reduce your fractions. So how we do this is, can we divide 4 and 12 by the same number? And yes, we can. We can divide both of them by 4. So here we go. Perfect. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our final answer is 1 over 3. Okay, let's do one more example. It says example 2, Rhonda is eating M&Ms. Yum. There are 6 blue M&Ms, 3 red M&Ms, 10 brown M&Ms, and 1 orange M&M in the bag. What is the probability that she chooses a brown M&M? Okay, so remember we start with the favorable outcomes on the top of the fraction, which is going to be brown M&M. So how many brown M&Ms are there in the bag? Well, there is 10, right here. 10 is going to go on top. Okay, now on the bottom, we need the total amount of M&Ms, and in this problem, it doesn't tell us. So we're going to have to do some extra math. We're going to have to add all these together. So we're going to take 6 plus 3 plus 10 plus 1, and we end up getting 20 when we add all those together. Okay. So that means that 20 is the total amount that's going to go on the bottom of our fraction over here. And then remember, at this point, you are not done quite yet. We need to reduce this fraction. So what can we divide 10 and 20 both by? Well, we can divide them both by 10, right? So I'm going to divide both by 10. Why is this not writing? LOL. There we go. Divide by 10, divide by 10. 10 divided by 10 gives us 1, and 20 divided by 10 gives us 2. So there is 1/2 chance that you are going to pick a brown M&M. And that is how you do theoretical probabilities.